Hi, I am Nucleus. I'm a presidential candidate, and I approve of this message.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name is Ollie. If you didn't already know that, which would be surprising. I was a two-time Mr. MHS contestant. I was in the homecoming court. I'm also a intern for a state congressman, and I am also a member of the tribe. I'm also the Ali, and oh yeah, I'm very Persian. Now, I have a message for all of you out there. This October, you all out there, go out and vote for the Nucleus and Nucleolus Campaign.
The nucleus of the cell is the organelle that stores the cell's hereditary material and coordinates the cell's activities. The nucleus overlooks many necessary cellular functions such as protein synthesis, cellular growth, cell division, differentiation, and much more. In addition to these functions, the nucleus is responsible for controlling the transfer and replication of DNA and RNA, regulating energy and nutrient metabolism, guaranteeing equal distribution and accurate copies of genetic information within the cell, and secreting ribosomes. There are various secondary organelles located within the nucleus that our organelle uses to contribute to its success and productivity. These organelles are the chromosomes, the chromatin, the nucleolus, the nuclear envelope, and the nuclear pore. The chromosomes are thread-like structures that are comprised of DNA strands that are tightly coiled around proteins called histones. Histones function to organize and bundle the DNA into structural units called nucleosomes. The chromatin is the finished complex of the DNA and histones. Also located within the nucleus, the nucleolus is a structure that is comprised of proteins and ribonucleic acids, RNA. The nucleolus functions to assemble ribosomes by producing subunits that come together and form the ribosomes. The nuclear envelope is a closely monitored membrane that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm that surrounds it. Without the nuclear envelope, the nucleus wouldn't be able to maintain its imperative structure. Last but not least, the nucleus uses a protein line channel called the nuclear pore to regulate the transportation of molecules between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The nuclear pore is vital to the cell because without it, certain molecules such as RNA and ribosomal proteins would not be able to travel from the nucleus to organelles and proteins outside of the nucleus. The nucleus provides order and organization for the cell by overseeing all of the vital cellular functions. Every other organelle in the cell depends on the nucleus in order to assist them in completing necessary cellular tasks. Here are some reasons you should vote for the nucleus in the upcoming election. 1. The nucleus will regulate all organelles to maintain homeostasis. It will control all of the organelles to success. The nucleus and nucleolus help the cell to understand its purpose and store the DNA needed for success. Finally, let's be honest. The complex eukaryotic cell can only function because the nucleus and nucleolus is present. Without it, the cell would be prokaryotic. Here are some reasons you should not vote for the other candidates. The nucleus will take control over the whole cell as opposed to the other organelles that will only focus on certain functions and areas of the cell. Number 2, the nucleus will make sure none of the other organelles will harm the cell. Let's make sure the cell survives. None of the other organelles have as much power as the nucleus, so any alone, they will not be able to fully support the cell. So get off your gluteus and vote for nucleus.